really will be. We've got the impact day for air quality concerns, but you can see the Hyatt Regency Cam, Superdome, a lot of things going on tonight, even on Sunday. So I'm going to start with the first game that's up here in just about an hour and 23 minutes here. Hot evening here at 93, warm night, and then a nice evening when you get to about the 8:30 hour, where that's the kickoff for game two. American Heritage and Carr, temperatures from 87 to the 80s. There's no chance of rain. We're going to look ahead, though, to Duke, Tulane, and there's a 10% chance of a shower. I'll show you why. Temperature's hot, though, before it's a warm evening as the game begins. The same's going to go for LSU Baton Rouge. 94, 90 degrees, and then a warm evening at 80 degrees. So right now, we've got the air quality concerns, but the reason why I've had a 10% chance of a shower is just because of this. Take a look at radar screen here, and there's been a couple of showers here and there. Not a whole lot to it. One here in northern parts of Tangipahoa Parish came right on through. It looks to be near Franklinton. There it is, Mount Herman, Bailey, a little shower there. So there's a reason there's a 10%. You say, why is there a 10% chance? That's hardly anything at all. But we're going to go back and see that we've got what's just happened. This is breaking news. Burn ban. This is going to be ongoing for Tangipahoa Parish. We're a little bit dry. We have not had rain for a while. Showed you this with the drought monitor a couple of days ago. So be aware of that. Okay, back to the air quality. We have not been that bad. This should have been an orange air quality day, a level 3 out of 5. But where we stand right now, we've only got up to the moderate category. So really, if you're one of those that's highly sensitive, you want to be aware through the rest of the evening hours. But we should have this moderate air quality, a level 2 out of 5 different categories here. That's 2, that's 3 in the red, that's 2, that's 3 in the orange, 4 would be red, and then 5 is going to be that hazardous area. So we can now jump into the forecast now that we've got all of our kind of pre-game situations going on here. Hot day, can you believe we did 95 for the hot temperature? Bogalusa did 96. Those were real-time temperatures, still at 95, 92. At least those dew points had been just below 70. So it's been interesting as we found that the high was a little bit more east today, that bubble of high pressure, but it's the heat, the relatively dry air that's been here. It drives our weather for the next 2 days, 3, 4, okay, all the way through the next 7 days. I don't see an end to this until we get to a front by the end of next week, potentially. And that 10% chance of a shower, yeah, I do have it at times, but if you get one, you've won kind of the lottery for getting at least a little bit of rain. Right there, there's that 10% chance. It's not much, but it's there. Still a hot day. We could be 93. I mean, we hit 95 today. At least the comfortable humidity makes it a little bit more tolerable. Locals Fest, this is also going on in Armstrong Park. Be aware that it's going to be the hot temperatures that are the main reason for. Sunday have taken the rain chance down to at least near 0, and the heat is still here too. And those dew points at least making it feel a little bit more better with at least dropping to below 70. So 85, 89 and hot when we're ending the game around that 3 to 3:30 hour. As we extend the forecast, I showed and mentioned that it's going to be a front. Try to move this in by the end of next week, and that could drop temperatures a bit and break the heat. But again, that's a long ways out. I've seen some other data that still want to hold us hot and at least pretty dry. We're battling dry air with a tropical wave that's now a medium chance of possible development. Here's the thing, you look at the forecast data, even if this does develop into something right here, it's going to stay way out to sea. There's nothing to show here. Now, I am still watching what could be energy out of Central America, and the forecast out of the United States wants to be doing something Caribbean, possibly into the Gulf. But again, this is staying away. It's going to enter wind shear. No worries for Louisiana tropics, just heat. We're going to have to deal with that. Really no widespread chance of rain anytime soon.